Studios, and today I will be unboxing my new iPhone. So let's get right on to the video. Ooh. Here we packed it up. Oh, it looks so good. It's not a lot of scratching. I told you it was just the glare.
Okay, that's pretty good.
So I got the iPhone X. That's my dad in the background. Wow, but the screen protector kind of has to come off because kind of bubbly.
That's not a screen protector.
That's not?
No.
Oh. Are you sure? Wow, it looks good. Let's power this baby up. I love that song. I think you can blur out the stuff for me.
Yes.
Okay guys, so it has 10%. So got a charger here, so we're gonna plug it in. So we're gonna set up the phone. So English. Okay, quick start. If you have an iPhone.
Internet.
I don't know the password. It's really shiny. I told you it was just the glare. Because it's crisp, as you would say. I like the back. Oh, okay, data and privacy. Okay, continue. Face ID. iPhone can recognize your unique three-dimensional features. Okay, continue. Oh, I have to set up Face ID, Daddy.
Don't do this.
That's so cool. iCloud. Oh! Look at my email first. Cause that thing was just not right, Daddy. Wednesday, Saturday, like, you gotta make up your mind now. And it even has my Apple Watch too. Continue. All right, it's preparing the software up. I am so sorry, guys. I got so excited setting it up that I just immediately started using it, and I did not get to film an outro. So that was it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And always remember, be creative. Bye. Peace out.